So that means second one we will not be able to use. Let's see here. It is still touching the bottom, not okay.
Oh, it's
I
close.
don't want to fill it more, no? Because it won't work. But
We can get a little bit more in there.
what would really have been done is, so normally your density buckets are taller than this,
Mm.
right? So it will be typically about this tall. It will be much smaller because you don't want too much to spill around, right? And then we just put it inside. Thereafter we give it a slight turn so that it stabilizes. And then we just touch it this way. So it stays. So right now it's not giving the correct value. But still you can make out the values out here. How much is it?
1.
Very good. Look very carefully because I'm going to take photos now.
Is it off the bottom?
It is not, it is touching the bottom.
Almost.
Because I can feel it touching the
But
bottom.
it's moving around, you see?
Yes, because it's spinning.
Yeah.
No, we won't, because otherwise we'll have this trouble. I can, if you all feel that you'll be able to remove that water.
Oh, yeah. 100%.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Such pride, such confidence means it's up to you. You are the ones who have to do it. हाँ जो भी और बोल रहे हैं वो सामने आ जाओ आप पानी को निकालोगे
मुंह से निकालेंगे.
Still touching.
No.
हाँ,
Even in
still
the middle?
touching. That is why hand is required because I can feel it out there and I can hear it. Right? So it's okay. But you understand how it works, right? Of course, that is why this would never have been used on board. This bucket I would have just thrown it away then. And as a seafarer, I would have written not to be used for density.
But not overboard.
Sorry?
Not overboard.
Can't now.
So it's marked.
I'll just put it in the bathroom. Means that's the same thing which will happen out here.
So those two are the same.
Correct. So they should be the same and they'll read the same. Right now they're just balancing on the bottom. So like even if it was crude oil, it would have been there only probably. And that is how this one also would have been. Now the thing is now we are going to add salt. Oh, this is so sweet.
Boom.
Oh, now we know why that is better than this. Because it is saying that the density is less than 1000. Have a look there.
Less than one.
Less than, have a look. I'll take the photo, then you can also take. Yes, just. Oh, yes, yes. You see, it is less. It is. The level is on top of 1000, right?
Yes, yes.
Stop, 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 stop. So 1000 would have touched it. 1005 is now you'll be able to see all the changes in that one now. When we add salt,
So sorry.
you all can see it. When we start adding salt, this metal one should start rising, isn't it?
Why is it a bit less?
Sorry,
Why is it a bit less?
that straight away tells us it is less. Fresh water is 1000 less. But anyway, let's see now what happens. Ooh. हाँ. No? Even if it touches 1000, we know it has changed.
It is coming up. No, it's coming up already.
That is, oh, no, okay, good question he asked. So we can give a spin. That is all of us mariners believe, and that is the practice on board. We give it a spin. And because we think some water is sticking it and not making it turn. So we give it a spin, then we realize, oh my god, it is spinning and I can't read it. Then we give it a gentle touch. This is how we teach people to take it. Actually, there's no logic. I'll be very honest with you. But it makes you feel that, okay, some chief mate should be. And then, you know, you have not been at home and you're like missing it. And then you think, I have some toys, okay, I'll speak later. There you go. Very nice. See, it's already changed. In fact, this is so nice like brackish water, isn't it? In fact, these photos, I'll later on put it up online and I'll show you how you can measure the density based on how this looks. Full salt? No. No. Who knows? Let's see how much 2.5 kilo does.
Now coming up.
Costed how much? 45p. Then so ठीक है, 50 rupees. But
Coming up.
they won't. You know nothing you get. So this is my money which has gone in the water. Oh, very nice. Ah, you want to see?
Yeah,
Is
maybe
that
this one working.
Okay, we'll try. Okay. We'll do the same thing out here. Very slow. I think
Yeah.
it is
Floating.
still
No.
touching.
No,
not touching.
Not touching, not touching.
They say it is not touching, but I think it is still touching. Either ways, this is how it looks. Anyway, it is a little higher up.
Yeah.
How much does it show? Not touching. Okay. Okay. Now they want to prove it, so they pushed it down. Then but how much is it now? But you can see how difficult it is to get the reading, right?
Hmm.
And that's why chief officers say bring it to the ship's office, so that they can see it very clearly without any noise, any dust. Because all dust is going to spoil your readings. It's going to spoil the unit also. So what I'll do is very simple. I'll put this on your sole page, and then we'll magnify it. And then based on that, I'll show you how the reading is going. In fact, I'll put it this way.